In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pricing table design in Elementor WordPress. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard. From there, open the page where you want your pricing table to appear. This can be an existing sales page, services page, or landing page. Once you've opened the page, launch it in the Elementor editor so you can build visually and see your changes in real time. Inside Elementor, click the plus icon to add a new section or container. For this design, choose a 3-column structure. This is a great layout for pricing tables because it lets you show multiple plans side by side, making it easier for visitors to compare options quickly. Next, go to the search bar in the left panel and type in price table. When the widget appears, drag and drop it into the first column. This gives you the foundation for your first pricing card. Now move into the Content tab and configure the 5 critical sections of the pricing table. This is where you'll set up the main details of the plan, such as the title, price, features, and button content. Take your time here, because this is the information your visitors will pay the most attention to. Make sure the wording is clear, consistent, and easy to scan. After the content is in place, switch over to the Style tab so the design matches your brand. This is where the pricing table starts to feel polished and professional instead of looking like a default template. Under the header and pricing settings, customize the background gradients, colors, and typography. These choices help create visual hierarchy, so the plan name and price stand out immediately. Try to keep your color choices aligned with the rest of your website so everything feels cohesive. Then go to the features section and adjust the line spacing, alignment, and icon colors. Small formatting details make a big difference here. Better spacing improves readability, and aligned icons and text help the table look cleaner and more balanced. Under the footer settings, style your button and add a hover micro animation such as grow or float. This can make the call to action feel more interactive and can help draw attention to the button without being distracting. Once your first column looks exactly the way you want, right-click the top right corner of that finished column and choose Duplicate. Then drag the duplicated versions into the remaining columns. This saves a lot of time because you won't need to rebuild and restyle each pricing tier from scratch. From there, you can simply update the text and pricing details for each plan while keeping the overall design consistent.